Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power is off and needle is down. This stabilizes timing. Thread the spool through the tension guide and place the spool cap because uncontrolled spools tangle. Wind the bobbin evenly, stop at about 90–95% capacity. An overfilled bobbin can jam. Once wound, trim the tail, place the bobbin into the case the correct way, and pull the thread through the slot. Make sure the bobbin turns smoothly. This sets you up for accurate upper threading next. Now raise the K-cup lever to the highest point and make sure the needle is at top. This aligns internal parts. Route the thread along the numbered path, down through tension discs, up through any thread guides, then through the K-cup lever, because correct tension depends on sequence. Use tweezers if the eye is small. Finally, thread the needle from front to back and leave a 3–4 inch tail. This prevents the thread from pulling out when you start sewing. Tidy loose threads so they don't snag. With the upper thread held gently, turn the handwheel toward you 1 full revolution. The needle will pick the bobbin thread. Lower the needle and then raise it so the bobbin thread loops up through the throat plate. Pulling both threads to the left under the presser foot positions them for the first stitch. Once positioned, lower the presser foot and test stitch slowly. If looping or skipped stitches occur, check needle type and tension. Swap needle, rethread upper and bobbin, and confirm timing alignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.